right, we're going to finish up this very last example in topic 6.9. So we're going to evaluate this integral. So the first thing I'm going to notice, and you really need the pink signs on the wall, right? We know that 1, if I looked at the pink Pythagorean identities, 1 plus tangent squared x equals secant squared x. So I can directly substitute that secant squared in. So I'm going to go the integral from 0 to pi over 4 of the square root of secant squared x dx. So I applied a trig identity. Now I'm going to take the square root of that because I can. So 0 to pi over 4 of secant of x dx. Now I know that this is actually one of my newly memorized integrals. So I'm just, when I integrate it, I'm going to get the natural log, absolute value of secant x plus tangent x, and then we're not doing plus c because we're definite, so from 0 to pi over 4. So I'm going to go ahead and substitute those in. So we have the natural log absolute value of the secant of pi over 4 plus the tangent of pi over 4 minus, of course I would run into my scribbles there, minus the natural log absolute value of the secant of 0 plus the tangent of 0. And remember, don't just throw the zeros away because sometimes in trig those have some meaning. So if I got out my good old unit circle, okay, I know that pi over 4 is square root of 2 over 2 square root of 2 over 2. I know that 0 is out 1 up 0. So if I'm going to do secant, I need to flip the reciprocal. When I flip that reciprocal, if you don't know it, we could unrationalize it here. You get 2 square root of 2 over 2, so it's just square root of 2. So I get the natural log absolute value of the square root of 2. Tangent of pi over 4 is square root of 2 over square root of 2, or just 1. Minus the natural log secant of 0, I'm going to flip the reciprocal as 1. And then tangent of 0 is 0 divided by 1, or 0. So in the front, I have natural log absolute value of 2 plus 1. There's not much I can do with that. Minus the natural log of 1. Natural log of 1 is 0. So my final answer is natural log absolute value of 2 square root of 2 plus 1. And you could probably drop that to just parentheses because they're going to turn out to be positive.